In this video, I'll show you how to reinstall Windows 11 without losing any of your personal data. First, click on the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen and open Settings. From the left side menu, click on System, then scroll down and select Recovery. Here, you'll find the Reset This PC option. This is what allows you to reinstall Windows while choosing whether to keep or remove your personal files. Go ahead and click Reset PC. You'll now see two options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Keep My Files reinstalls Windows but leaves your documents, photos, and personal files completely untouched. Remove Everything is a full wipe. It erases all your files, so only choose that if you're selling your PC or starting completely fresh. Since we want our files to stay safe, I'll select Keep My Files. Next, you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows, either Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Cloud Download downloads a fresh copy of Windows directly from Microsoft servers. It's more reliable, but requires a good internet connection. Local Reinstall uses the Windows files already on your PC. No internet needed, and it's faster. I'll go with Local Reinstall, since it's quicker and doesn't need the internet. On the next screen, you'll see Additional Settings. This shows you a summary of what's selected before you proceed. Then click Next. Now you'll reach the Ready to Reset This PC screen. Here's what will happen during the reset. Windows will be reinstalled fresh. Your personal files and folders will be kept safe. However, any apps and programs you've installed will be removed. You'll notice a link that says View Apps That Will Be Removed. Click that to see the full list of software that won't survive the reset. Don't worry though, reinstalling your apps afterwards is straightforward. Most of them just need a quick download from their website or the Microsoft Store, so it's really not a big deal. Once you're ready, click Reset and the process will begin. Your PC will restart a couple of times. Just leave it running and don't turn it off. Once it's done, Windows will be fresh and clean, and all your personal data will be right where you left it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.